Dear students, today I would like to teach you power and functions of speaker. The speaker of Lok Sabha is elected from among its own member. Means only Lok Sabha member will participate in speaker election. Soon after the newly elected house meet for first time, when the house is dissolved, the speaker does not vacate his or her office. He or she remain in office till a new speaker is elected by the new Lok Sabha in its first meeting. The speaker is elected for a term of 5 years. She can seek re-election and any number of times he or she is elected as a member of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha Speaker, very respected post. I think you know, Honorable Om Birla is our Speaker. I think you have seen by electronic media, and very renowned personality he is. So how Speaker will be elected? I have taught you. Speaker will be elected amongst the member of the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha member will be not participate in this election. Speaker may resign from his or her office, on health or other ground by submitting a letter of resignation to the deputy speaker. Speaker will resign to deputy speaker, and deputy speaker will resign to speaker. This is procedure. And deputy speaker, the constitution provides for office of the deputy speakers who perform the duties of the speaker when the latter is absent or while the office of the speaker is vacant. The deputy speaker is elected or is removed from office in the same way as a speaker. So there are two important posts, speaker and deputy speaker, and both will be member of parliament. Then only they can participate in speaker election. So today now going to teach you power and functions. Very important role is there. The role and functions of the speaker may be categorized under the following heads. First one, business of the house. The speaker presides over the meeting of the house. All speeches and remarks are addressed to the speaker. He or she allot time for discussion. I think you know the procedure of the Lok Sabha have seen. So which member will speak that time allotted by speaker? Very important post. And member will ask question to speaker, and speaker will transfer that question to respective department or respective minister. The speaker interpret the rules of procedure of the house. Means in the house, speaker decision will be final. He or she determine the rules and regulation of the house. His or her decision in all parliamentary matter is final. All bill passed by the house are signed by him or her before they are sent to Rajya Sabha for its consideration and then it will go to president. The speaker decides the admissibility of the all questions and resolution. She or he decide the admissibility of the motion of urgent. Means urgent motion, when it will be initiated, notice given to speaker, it will be depend upon speaker. Then speaker will allow, then only it can be generated. It can be introduced. He or she put the issue to vote and announce the result. Means suppose if any matter is there, any bill is there, and when any dispute will be there, so voting will be there. So when voting result will be declared, so it will be declared by speaker. The speaker does not vote in the house except when there is equal vote on both sides. When there will be tie, then only speaker will cast his vote or her vote. Otherwise, the speaker will not participate in whole procedure of election. Voting. Clear? The speaker decide where a bill is money bill or non-money bill. Means which bill is money bill or non-money bill. This question can be asked. Many times ask, what is money bill? Dear student, money bill is a financial instrument in which income and expenditure will be mentioned. Sorry, income or expenditure will be mentioned. But your Mahen sir will not decide what is money bill. Which bill is money bill or non-money bill decided by speaker. Okay, Honorable Om Birla sir will decide ki this bill is money bill or non-money bill. Your Mahen sir will not decide. Now, administrative functions. First functions, business of the house I have taught you. Next I am going to start administrative functions. The speaker receive all petition and document in the house. He or she communicate the decision of the house to the concerned authority. He or she regulate and admission of visitors and press correspondent to the galleries of the house. I think you have seen the galleries of the house. Means when working of the house is going on, from business is going on, one gallery is there. Visitors are allowed to come and see the procedure. But who will allow? Speaker. Without speaker permission, nobody can enter in the parliament. Now, disciplinary function. The speaker maintain order in the house. When member became unruly, he or she may order them to withdraw. He may suspend a member. He or she disregard the authority of a chair in case gave disorder. He or she can adjourn the house. In the case the word used by the member are indecent or unparliamentary. Unparliamentary is keyword. The speaker may order that such words be exempted, removed from the proceeding of the house. The speaker decide where there is a case for matter of related the breach of privilege or contempt of the house. Breach of privilege means, I think you know, member of parliament having some special power. What is special power? They can ask question regarding public affairs to the house. Your Mahen sir is not allowed to ask question, but member of parliament having power, that power is known as power of interpellation. So suppose your Mahen sir is a member of parliament and I am asking question, okay, by taking money. Suppose any authority is there, an authority given money to me, and on that ground I am asking question. Okay, so if any charge will be put upon me, okay, so it means I have done breach of privilege. Means that power given by constitution to me for the welfare of the society, not for getting money. Okay, what salary and allowances already given. Okay, so what is need of this malpractice? I think once this issues came and 4-5 members were suspended because of that one, they had taken money from any authority and asked question regarding that. It regard to a question whether a member of Lok Sabha stand disqualified under the anti-defection law. What is anti-defection law? Suppose any member of parliament jumping for one political party to other political party. Suppose your Mahen sir is a member of parliament from BJP as a BJP candidate. But after 2-4 months I have joined Congress or any other political party. Okay, so according to anti-defection law, I lost my membership. Clear? So now parliamentary committee. The speaker is an ex officio chairman of some of the committee of the house, such as business advisory committee and rules committee. He or she appoints chairman of the committees of the house. He or she issued direction to the chairman of all matters related to their working and procedure to be followed. And last point regarding speaker miscellaneous functions. Speaker presides over the joint session. Means who will be presiding officer of the joint session of the parliament? Your answer is there, speaker. In consultation with the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, he or she nominates the personnel for parliamentary delegation to various countries. He or she presides over the conference of the presiding officers of legislative body in India. So these are important point, okay, regarding power and functions of the speaker of Lok Sabha. And dear students, one more question: who is current Speaker of Lok Sabha? You should know, it has been given in your book also, and you can open internet. So Honorable Om Birla sir figure you can get, and you should recognize that picture. Picture question can be also asked. Thank you.